Yo, what's happening, fellow van builders? Welcome back to the channel. Here at Vandingo, we're working on a 2021 Sprinter van, dual slider, and I'm still got all sort of the infrastructure stuff going on, other than some fun things like roof racks and Fiamma awnings. I got AC coming in here pretty soon. But today, we're working on finishing out the subfloor. I noticed a couple of things just in the area where you step on the floor before you would get into the bed, and it's right outside of the shower. I still have some subfloor movement, so I'm going to take some 1x aluminum and just sort of strengthen that area up, and it'll allow for better use of that area, so we don't get, by the time I put the flooring down on top of the plywood subfloor, I don't get a bunch of movement and flex, which I don't want. So I'm just finishing that task up. We'll see how that goes today, and see if I can get to laying the floor that I purchased as well. Let me show you what I got going on. All right, so here's the problem. This piece of plywood here came across this truss or strut under here. This is the 1x. And when you step here, because there's no support there, because I didn't get it precise, this flexes down now. So I'm gonna put, these are just cut off pieces, try to keep all of those, because you never know when they're gonna come in handy. But I'm going to put at least one additional straight across this direction, so that when you come out of the shower, you're pressing down here, because theoretically, well, not theoretically, you're going to step up on a step or something and get up into the bed, and continual flexing here will be hard on not only the plywood but the floor. All right, here's the tools we're going to use. Just as a reminder, there is a video in the channel where the bulk of this work is done, but you need a grinder right here, you need the SikaFlex, you need a urethane gun. By the way, that's a MoRide. Just pick that up. That's a MoRide cargo tray I'm going to put in the back underneath the bed. So those are the tools of the trade for today, just to clean up this subfloor operation. So next step is, Coco, what are you doing? Coco, what are you doing, Cokes? Coco. Yes, girl. Hey, Cokes. Uh-oh. Finnegan wants out, too. Let's go get him. What you doing, Finn? What is it, buddy? All right, here we go. My favorite caulking guns in the world right here. Anything that's automatic is cool. All right, check this out. It's always good to test. So I fixed this side, right? See the flex right here? So because that's in the footpath, I think, I'm gonna put one more strut underneath there. All right, time to hand cut the insulation. These have had a little bit of time to dry, so I'm just going to eyeball this. It looks like about right there. take some off of this one. Let's see. About that much. Okay, that should do it. Amazing. That's almost 2 cartridges of glue for just 3 sheets of plywood. 3 cut down sheets of plywood, but all right. This has got the tread on this side. That there. Go. Okay, here are those extra aluminum 1-bys I put down. The other thing I was concerned about is I had moved these right up to where it squares off of the van wall, and you know, expected that I would definitely be stepping here with my foot potentially, you know, to move things around or get in and out, crawl in and out. I just didn't want that piece of wood hanging off the edge there to not have any support. So those went in as well. So I've got the marks all along the side here where I can put the walls in and screw down the 80/20, which is all part of what needs to come. So it's time to glue this subfloor down. All right, tube of SikaFlex just showed up via Amazon. All right, that looks pretty good. Put some weight on it. Pieces of the flooring itself is pretty stinking heavy. Surprisingly heavy. All right. Last piece. It's the last melon. All right. Go down the last one. There we go. Starting to run out of weights. Holiday adhesive weights for a Sprinter van subfloor. There you have it. Everything's glued down. All right, hey gang. These things seem like they just take longer than you originally think they should. Got the subfloor glued down, and I've got about every weight in the house There's probably more, I could find more, to put some pressure down on the plywood and the urethane in order for it to connect well. So I'm going to end it here and come back next time with next steps, which is starting with the flooring. And so thanks for being with me. Hopefully you enjoyed what you see on the video today. If you like what you're seeing, hit that like button, subscribe, and more content coming your way. Be good. Thanks. Bye-bye.